Hello and welcome to Buy Stake Chill, your home for the clearest Bittensor Alpha. Today we're going deep on Subnet 72, StreetVision, the decentralized eyes that are turning 260,000 plus dashcams into the world's largest real-time mapping network for robots and self-driving cars. This is the bridge between DePIN and DAI, and it's already live. The future of decentralized physical infrastructure networks arrived on May 29, 2025, with the official launch of StreetVision Subnet 72 on the Bittensor network. This groundbreaking initiative was made possible through a strategic partnership with Nadix Network, a global leader in crowdsourced geospatial data. This collaboration isn't just a technical integration, it's the fusion of a massive real-world data firehose with a powerful decentralized AI incentive system, creating an entirely new paradigm for how we map and understand our physical world. The foundation of StreetVision's intelligence is built upon the immense scale of the Nadix DePIN. With a network of over 260,000 active drivers, Nadix provides an unparalleled stream of data, having already mapped more than 170 million kilometers of roadways. This isn't simulated data, it's real-time, 360-degree imagery captured from 171 countries, providing a constantly updating high-fidelity digital twin of the planet's infrastructure. This colossal dataset is the raw material that fuels the entire StreetVision ecosystem, ensuring its AI models are trained on the complexities and unpredictability of the real world. StreetVision's core function is to take that torrent of raw visual data and transform it into structured, high-quality AI intelligence. The subnet's specialized models analyze every frame, identifying and classifying critical road events and conditions. This includes detecting infrastructure defects like potholes and cracks, temporary hazards like roadwork and debris, and permanent features like traffic signs and lane markings. It's a sophisticated perception layer, providing the granular detail that autonomous systems, from delivery drones to robotic vehicles, need to see and navigate the world safely and efficiently. At the heart of this process is a competitive, decentralized marketplace. Miners on the Bittensor network constantly compete to build, train, and submit the most accurate and efficient perception models for analyzing this data. This relentless competition drives continuous innovation, ensuring the network's capabilities are always at the cutting edge. To ensure quality, validators rigorously test these competing models. They evaluate their performance against a verified, real-world, ground truth dataset. This crucial step filters out underperforming models and guarantees that the intelligence provided by the network is reliable, accurate, and trustworthy. Finally, Bittensor's UMA consensus mechanism analyzes these validation scores to select the best recent performer, or BRP model. This isn't a single static choice. The system dynamically routes live queries to the top-performing miner best suited for each specific geographic region and data variable, optimizing for both speed and accuracy. This ensures that when a user requests data, they receive the highest quality intelligence available on the network at that exact moment. Let's break down the numbers to see why StreetVision is already a heavyweight contender. The current stats are staggering. A total stake of 150,000 TAO, which translates to a formidable $51 million. This isn't just a number, it's a massive vote of confidence from the entire Bittensor network, signaling immense trust and perceived value in what StreetVision brings to the table. This level of investment secures its position and fuels its growth, and the rewards reflect that confidence. StreetVision commands a 1.5% share of total network emissions. This translates to a daily drip of approximately 108 TAO distributed among its miners and validators. This incentive structure is crucial. It ensures a constant competitive drive to provide the highest quality, real-time street-level data, directly rewarding the participants who power the network's perception capabilities. The subnet's own alpha token boasts a market capitalization of roughly $5.4 million. This valuation is a direct market indicator of the project's potential and the utility it's expected to deliver. It represents the collective belief of investors in StreetVision's specialized mission. So, with this incredible financial backing and incentive alignment, why is StreetVision considered the critical missing piece in the grand vision of Bittensor? To understand, look at the existing ecosystem. We have decentralized compute with chutes, providing the raw processing power. We have decentralized coding and intelligence with ridges, building the logic. We even have foundational AI vision with SCORE, enabling image recognition. These are the brains and the muscle. But until StreetVision, there was a fundamental gap. No dedicated real-time street-level perception subnet. The network could think and compute, but it couldn't truly the physical world as it changes moment to moment. It lacked the sensory input necessary for interacting with our dynamic environment. StreetVision fills that void. This is the eyes for the entire decentralized robot economy. It provides the crucial, live visual data that autonomous agents, from delivery drones to self-driving cars, need to navigate, understand, and operate safely and efficiently in the real world. It's the final sensory link that connects Bittensor's powerful AI to physical reality. So, how does StreetVision stack up against the established players? Let's break it down with a direct comparison. On one side, we have the centralized giants. On the other, the decentralized power of StreetVision. This isn't just about different technologies. It's about fundamentally different philosophies for gathering and using real-world data. In the centralized corner, you have the familiar names IBM Weather, AccuWeather, and Tomorrow.io. These are massive, venture capital-backed corporations that have dominated the weather and environmental data market for years. They operate on a traditional top-down model, collecting data from their own proprietary sources and selling it through subscription services. Let's talk cost. Accessing their data comes with a hefty price tag, typically ranging from $99 to over $500 per month. This subscription model creates a high barrier to entry for developers, startups, and researchers who need access to high-quality data but can't afford the steep, recurring fees. In terms of accuracy, they boast state-of-the-art performance, generally between 85% and 92% for standard weather forecasting. This is impressive, but it's based on their specific, often limited datasets and models. And that brings us to the data itself. Their models often rely on simulated data or a limited set of real-world inputs from fixed weather stations. This can miss the granular hyper-local conditions that matter most for applications like autonomous driving or logistics. Finally, ownership. The data, the models, the infrastructure. It's all closed and corporate. It's a black box. You pay for access, but you have no ownership, no control, and limited insight into how the data is generated or processed. Now, let's look at the alternative. StreetVision SN72. The cost model is completely different. Instead of a flat monthly fee, you pay per query, with prices as low as $0.001 to $0.005. This microtransaction model makes advanced environmental data accessible to everyone, from individual hobbyists to large enterprises, paying only for what you use. For accuracy, StreetVision demonstrates a 65% edge on Briar reliability plots for critical variables like wind and dewpoint. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a leap forward in predicting hyper-local conditions that traditional models miss. The data source is its superpower. Over 170 million kilometers of real-world driving data, and growing every second. This isn't simulation. It's a live, constantly updated view of road and weather conditions from the ground up. And ownership? It's open and decentralized. The network is owned by its participants, the miners who contribute data. This community-driven approach fosters transparency, innovation, and a data source that is collectively owned and governed. When you put it all together, StreetVision wins on cost, offering unparalleled affordability. It wins on real-world data diversity, providing insights that are impossible to get from fixed stations. and it wins on continuous improvement, with a model that gets smarter with every kilometer driven. It's a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with our environment. Service pricing, free tier for testing, limited queries. Premium API, $0.01 to $0.005 per query. Subscription, $99 per month for 10,000 queries. Revenue share, 10 to 20% to miners in TAO. Team, Orpheus AI, Wouter Harmsen and Eagle Orpheus. Climate ML researchers with ICML papers. Nadix backing, Alareza Goods CEO. Advisors, Siam Kid, Crypto AI Day host. Roadmap, Q4 2025, BRP API Live, multivariable expansion. Q1 2026, revenue share, Bitmind integrations. Q2 2026, global competitions, SOTA challenges. With the halving in 19 days cutting new TAO supply in half, this utility explosion couldn't be better timed. StreetVision proves decentralized AI can beat centralized giants on accuracy, cost, and openness. The robot revolution just got its eyes. NFA, Dior. Thanks for learning with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.